So today we are going to prepare burrito. I got my onion, garlic, tomato, then I washed it. Next thing I did was chop them. I got my meat. I use ground beef. You can use whatever I want to. I took my pan, added a bit of oil and my onion, sauteed it for a while. Added chopped garlic. Stirring. Then I added my beef. So this part I just stir the meat so it cooks a bit. I didn't add any seasoning. Make sure to break the meat so it doesn't clump together. I realized the wooden spoon I was using was not breaking it, so I changed it to a different spoon. When the meat cooks a bit, then add your spices. I added pepper. Guys, I don't know what I was doing, I beg. I added more pepper and spices later on. I don't know what I was doing, my ancestors were crying. I added all-purpose seasoning, rosemary, smoked paprika, stir. This was my first time working with paprika. I grounded some black pepper to add to the beef. We're stirring again. I had to transfer it to another pan because this was not going to work at all. Mix. Added my chopped tomatoes. I blended some tomatoes earlier, so I added it to it. Mix. Added some tomato paste. And some salt to taste. Guys, just look at that. Oh, and I forgot to add my oregano, so I added it later on. And then, guys, it took it to a different level. Guys, this is next level. I found the missing spice to my pizza sauce. I added a bit of cheese, just a little. I'll add more later. Can anyone tell me if you can use cheese after its expiry date? Because we got this cheese and it says it's expired. I don't want to throw it away because cheese is expensive in Ghana. Well, it's not like it is. It's not something we use often, so I guess. I heated some refried beans. I actually like the taste. It's similar to like the normal beans we cook. Yeah. I added a bit of water, mix. And that's everything for our toppings. I use flour tortilla. So guys, I made a mistake. The tortilla I used for the burrito was small, as you can see, so I had to stack two together and wrap it, and Well, you have to work with what we have. I'm not going to do it away just because it's not big enough. Next time I'll just buy a bigger size. So yeah. But the disadvantage to this is that it didn't make it as thin as I wanted. To assemble, I first added my refried beans, then some beef, some mozzarella cheese, and he has me struggling to close the burrito. Oh my god. I added some lettuce, then voila, we're finished. Did the same for the rest. Last part is just to toast it. I added some more oil, then placed my burrito in the pan to toast. And we are finished. We are going to the next part, which is a taste test. And you see my family tasting it. This time we're going to see our faces. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you. And don't forget to share the video. Hello guys, it's Elle, and today we are going to do another taste test.
Let me mention the name of the tea.
Okay, so today I prepared what?
Burritos.
I'll use
burritos.
Okay,
yes.
So today that's what I prepared. It was my first time, so there's small room for improvement, and she's here to come and do a taste test. And yeah, so let's see. My other sister doesn't like things like this, so she said she wouldn't rate it because she doesn't like it. So yeah, so this is the only sister who is going to be part for today, and maybe my mom. So yeah. You want that one rather? Why?
I actually want the big one.
The big one means more tortilla because it was small. So anyone is.
How can I bite it from the side?
Anywhere.
This is burritos. Burritos. Guys, look it.
I mean.
Burritos.
Okay.
It's ready the burritos, right?
Do you like it? Don't be this.
It's nice. It's nice, but
hey, sorry.
I want it to. It's very nice.
Don't rate me as a sister or rate me as like.
It's nice. I'm not rating because my sister.
Okay.
You know, if it's not nice, I'll let you know it's not nice. But it's very, very, very nice. It's almost like shawarma. Yeah. The feeling.
It's okay, cool.
And the feeling is very yummy. Very.
What?
I'm not going to take one. I have another one. Like, will you give me another one? Where did the burritos? Is that the mama's
Mama? I want your reaction. Oh, we didn't rate it. Come and rate it.
Right.
Mama, I'm waiting for you.
It's quite good.
This is
it's quite good.
What?
Wow, it's quite good. Wow, I have my series over here. And my what do you call it?
Burritos.
Burritos or shawarma, what do you call it? It's quite good. I'll rate it out of 10. I'll rate it 8.
Yay! Okay, I also rate it 8.
Don't rate it. Be honest too.
It's nice.
Okay.
It's very nice.
So now I have my mother here. Don't mind her to come tired. That's fine. So my mom is a typical African woman who eats banku. Okay? So understand her if she doesn't like it. Okay. It's something foreign, and like everybody has their own taste. So if she doesn't like it, I beg, please don't. Okay, so Mama, you can taste it. Come here, please.
So then we are ready for church.
Okay, I want to taste. I've not even yet tasted it. I don't really want to taste it because I don't feel like eating.
It's very nice. It's come to say. Let me finish it.
Let me finish it up. Mommy is missing up. So you ran and finished.
No, Mama, what would you rate it?
Come leave it.
It's nice.
What would you rate it out of 10?
I'll give
The
it,
honest too.
I'll give it 8 because it's nice. It's nice.
Are you sure?
It's nice.
Out of 10.
Again, let me eat it again.
Let me eat it again. Let me eat it again. That means you are just eating everything.
What is the thumbnail? For me, the thumbnail.
I'll get it.
You get from
It is not like the beans that it's beans, but it's not like the type of beans we use. We are going to also buy puka. It's a drink. It was like we really like puka, so we're going to buy puka and add it to it. And now I'm left with going to clean the kitchen. Okay, so that's fun. It's not my turn. I've been cleaning the kitchen for like days now because I've been cooking, but well. So yeah, well, I'm going to clean the kitchen. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked the noise. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm pretty tired because I woke up very early today and I had to go and buy some ingredients that I needed for the dish we prepared today. So the whole day I've been really busy. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I love you and see you next time. It's left with 2 more dishes to the end of my series for my birthday. I'm sorry that I have low energy today because I'm pretty tired, but I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Let us. Thank you.
It will come, man.